Hey everybody, I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this one, I will be explaining to you guys how you can use the duplication glitch on Skyrim, so let's get right into it. I'm using the online guide because it's very much easier for me so that I don't record actual gameplay since I don't know how to actually replicate it fully. And yeah, I'm using this to save space as well, so bear with me. But yeah, anyway, once to actually use that glitch, what you're going to want to do is to first acquire at least one of the item that you want to duplicate, for example, a Daedral Heart, and you're going to want to recruit a follower. Followers are required for this glitch. They're an important tool, let's say. And of course, Lydia is one of the first ones that you can get through doing the main quest line. You can also go to Solitude or wherever and just hire a follower, and any follower will do, basically. That's what I want to say. But yeah, once you have, what you're going to want to do is go and travel to some city gates. Here is some instructions on handling stolen items. But yeah, that's just, I don't think that's important for the tutorial, but you can read what I just hovered over. This is the game rant guide, so you can follow it yourself. But yeah, what you're going to want to do is to go to the gates and make sure that you don't have Skyrim or open cities installed. You need to have loading gates for this to work. And yeah, they need to have a loading screen, and once you're there, you want to drop the items on the ground and ask your followers to pick them up. And once you do, you're going to want to exit the gates and enter back again immediately after they pick it up. And once you exit and enter again, your follower will have those copies of the items on themselves, and you will have your items that you dropped on the ground as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That is how you duplicate items in Skyrim. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.